Why might Backpack Exchange surpass Binance in 2025? Binance is the giant of the crypto world, the undisputed leader, the benchmark. But today, a new platform is making a lot of noise, and not just for its features. I'm talking about Backpack Exchange. And if I told you that it could simply surpass Binance by 2025 or even 2026? Yes, you heard correctly, because between maximum security, ultra-smart innovation, and a more than serious post-FTX vision, Backpack might be redefining the rules of the game. In this video, we will dissect why this platform is attracting more and more people, and why you should seriously be interested in it from now. So, what exactly is Backpack Exchange? It's a very recent crypto trading platform, but it wasn't launched by just anyone. Behind Backpack is Armani Ferrante, a former engineer at Alameda Research, whom we all know very well now, so someone who has seen from the inside how the biggest crypto companies operate. And especially, he partnered with Canson, former legal director of FTX. Yes, FTX, the platform that collapsed in 2022 and shocked the world. But exactly, those guys saw the mistakes, the flaws, and decided to create a platform that does the exact opposite. Backpack Exchange is a direct response to the missteps of old platforms. They want a more transparent, more secure, more responsible crypto. And that's evident from the start. The platform is regulated in Dubai, a crypto-friendly jurisdiction, but one that imposes very strict controls. It's not the legal ambiguity like FTX. Here, however, every transaction, every reserve is verified daily. And it's not just another platform appearing out of nowhere. It's a team that has learned from the past to build something solid and really clean from the start. And you'll see in the next few minutes, in terms of features, they haven't done things halfway either. Now, let's talk about the most important point when choosing a crypto platform: security and transparency. We've seen and seen again that it was really fundamental. Backpack doesn't mess around with that. Clearly, their goal is to never experience an FTX version 2.0. First, they have implemented something that many platforms promise, but very few apply correctly: cryptographic proof of reserves. In short, every day, Backpack publishes a verifiable statement of funds. This means you can verify yourself that the tokens you have in your account actually exist on the blockchain. No false promises, no sleight of hand, and especially no Luna, Celsius, or FTX effects, as we all know too well. Well, next, all transactions are secured with multi-signature wallets. Specifically, this means that no single person can move the funds. Multiple validations are required for each token withdrawal. This is a real safety net against hacks, human errors, or manipulation. And where Backpack goes even further, it's in its transparency regarding regulation. They are subject to strict regulatory oversight in Dubai. With frequent audits, there is serious oversight. It's not an offshore company hidden somewhere. It's clear, straightforward, and truly inspires confidence. In short, Backpack understood that in 2025, trust is not earned with marketing, but with proof, solid tech, true transparency. And honestly, it's refreshing to see this in the world of exchanges. Well, now that we've seen the security at Backpack is rock solid, let's talk about what really makes the difference on a daily basis. Their features, and here, honestly, they've set the bar very high. First innovation, we have the unified cross-margin account. Basically, instead of having to juggle between your spot account, your futures account, and your lending account, everything is centralized in the same place. You deposit your funds once, and you can do everything with them: trade, lend, borrow, all without moving your money from wallet to wallet, as we've seen on many other platforms. It's a huge time saver, but also a real advantage in terms of user experience. And that's something Binance doesn't do at all. Second gem, auto lend. That's really cool. Your assets sleeping on the platform are automatically lent in pools to generate returns without needing to click anywhere. You can use them at any time, but in the meantime, they work for you. It's like your spot account continuously earning you money. And that's not to mention their auto-realize P&L option, which automatically realizes your profits and losses on closed positions. As a result, you instantly recover your gains and can reuse them without delay. Ultra smooth for active traders. It's great. On the accessibility side, they have also thought of everything. Backpack is available on the web in mobile applications. The interface is modern, fast, and without unnecessary frills. The icing on the cake is that Backpack integrates a multi-chain wallet compatible with Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, Sui, Polygon, Base, and many others. And they are added gradually. So if you're already in the crypto ecosystem, you don't need a middleman. Everything is there, and you know very well that it's important to have everything in one place and that it's really pleasant to use. Frankly, it feels good to have a platform that doesn't just try to copy what's out there, but truly aims to simplify, optimize, and save time and money for users. Obviously, platforms need to make money to function and continually evolve. But it also feels good when it seems it's not just for them. and we can regain a bit for ourselves, the users. So you might say to me, okay, the platform is innovative, secure, very well designed, but are there really people on it? Is it taking off or not? And here, my answer is a big yes. Backpack Exchange has already exceeded $60 billion in trading volume. For a platform that was launched just a few months ago, it's frankly already monstrous. And careful, we're not talking about fake or artificial volume like we've seen on some questionable platforms. Here, the volume is organic and it's booming, notably thanks to the Solana community that has adopted Backpack very quickly. On the user side, they already have more than 500,000 verified accounts that we see here, spread across more than 150 countries. It's a rapid growth that shows a real market confidence. And another important point, Backpack is not just looking to grow fast, they are building a solid ecosystem with constant updates, ultra-transparent communication, and a real focus on user experience. Basically, we are on a growth curve that looks a lot like Binance's in its early days, except here, they have the advantage of knowing the mistakes not to reproduce. So when we look at the current dynamic, it's clear. Backpack is much more than a hype project. It's a machine in motion. Well, now we have to talk about the elephant in the room, Binance. Let's not beat around the bush. Binance remains the largest cryptocurrency exchange platform in the world today. It handles billions in daily volume, has millions of users, a comprehensive interface, and a presence in nearly every country. But, and this is where it gets interesting, in recent years, Binance has accumulated quite a few issues. Investigations by regulators all over the world, the departure of the founder CZ, which we all saw on Twitter, after an agreement with US authorities, and especially a growing distrust from part of the crypto community on transparency and fund management. Alongside that, Backpack arrives with a new approach right from the daily proof of reserves, multi-signature architecture, a 100% regulated platform in Dubai, a streamlined user experience on all levels. Basically, where Binance is sometimes a rigid ship, Backpack positions itself as an agile, fast speedboat, transparent with an ultra-modern vision of what an exchange should be in 2025. Will Backpack crush Binance? Not necessarily immediately, but can it compete on innovation, trust, and user experience? Absolutely, yes. And in a market that evolves so quickly, it is these qualities that will make the difference in the long term. Now that you have all the cards in hand, ask yourself this question. Do you want to continue using an aging platform, often opaque and with an increasingly controversial past? The future is frankly uncertain for many things. Or do you want to test a next-generation platform designed for secure users, transparent, and above all in full explosion? For me, the choice is obvious. Backpack Exchange checks all the boxes. Clear and strong regulation, bank-level security, features that truly save time and money, and above all, a team that learns from past mistakes to build something that's sustainable. If you too want to be part of this new wave, I invite you to click on the link in the description and register now on Backpack Exchange. You support us at the same time because yes, it's an affiliate link. You are free to use it or not, but most importantly, you step into what I think is one of the most promising projects in the crypto ecosystem right now. And a little bonus, Backpack has implemented its system to start earning points. They launched Season 1 and 10 million points are distributed each week to users. This obviously leads us to think that there will be an airdrop coming. It is therefore even more the right time to start and test this platform. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to not miss any upcoming crypto news and analysis, and activate the bell if you really want to stay ahead of others. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and we'll see you very soon for the next video.